Welcome to Baz Travels.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
There is a specific kind of magic that happens when the Potomac River is invited into the heart of the city. The Tidal Basin is far more than a scenic body of water. It is a giant, liquid mirror designed to reflect the most profound ideals of the American experiment. While its origins are deeply practical, engineered in the late 19th century to flush the silt from the Washington Channel, its true purpose has evolved into something far more poetic. To walk the perimeter of this basin is to experience a slow-motion cinematic pan of history, where the landscape doesn't just surround the monuments, it completes them. The most famous residents on this shoreline aren't made of stone or bronze. They are living, breathing witnesses. The Yoshino cherry trees, a gift of friendship from Japan in 1912, have become the seasonal heartbeat of Washington. Every spring they transform the basin into a cloud of pale pink and white, a fleeting ethereal reminder of the beauty found in the renewal and the delicacy of international bonds. But even in the depths of winter, when the branches are bare and skeletal, their gnarled trunks tell a story of endurance. They have survived floods, decades of urban construction, and the footfalls of millions standing as silent guardians of this sacred space. As you navigate the curve of the water, the architecture begins to speak in a sequence of powerful silhouettes. The Jefferson Memorial rises like a Roman pantheon, its white marble dome a tribute to the Enlightenment ideals that founded the nation. Further along, the Martin Luther King Jr. Memorial emerges with a startling modern intensity, a stone of hope, literally hewn from the mountain of despair. The basin forces a slower pace upon everyone who enters its orbit. You cannot rush here, the path won't allow it. The gentle arc of the shoreline and the steady rhythmic rhythm of the water demand a certain level of introspection. It is one of the few places in the capital where the frantic noise of politics and the heavy weight of bureaucracy seems to soften, replaced by a rustle of leaves and the distant splash of paddle boats. But there is a deeper story here, one of a changing environment. The tidal basin is a place where the vulnerability of our history is most visible. As the tides rise and the walkways occasionally disappear beneath the brackish water, we are reminded that even our most solid monuments are subject to the whims of the natural world. This tension between the permanent and the transient is what gives the basin its unique energy. It is a sanctuary of scale, where the monumental feels intimate and the natural world feels monumental. At sunset, the basin undergoes a profound transformation. The fading light catches ripples, and the memorials begin to glow from within. Their reflection stretches across the surface like anchors in the water. In these moments, you realize that the tidal basin is effectively the city's lungs. It is where Washington comes to breathe, to think and to remember. It reminds us that we are the granite we use to solidify our past. It is the water and the trees, the shifting living elements of our world, that truly give those stories their depth and their life. This is the quiet, watery heart of the capital, a place where time seems to loop and flow with the tide.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.